right? I wrote a vision, right? So for the standalone business, I want you guys to know we went from 2 people to 120 people in like 6 days, right? So I have a vision overall. So I want you guys to know what it is. Drop it through the chat if you would like to hear that goal. And the basics that we're going over, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be a quick basic, you know what I'm saying? Because I really want to do more emphasis on the trading psychology, right? So this is the vision. Right? I wrote it out. I wrote it out. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen, right? So it's called standing on business charts. That's what we're here for, right? And the vision is, I am so happy and grateful now that standing on business charts has the best, most profitable trading community in the world, and actively have at least 10,000 members. Do you guys believe we can get to 10,000 people? Do you guys believe that?
Yeah.
I believe it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna read it again. The vision is, I'm so happy and grateful now that standing on business has the best, most profitable trading community in the world, and actively have at least 10,000 members. Remember the date, it's February 10th, 2024, right? And it's free. That's what I'm trying to say. It's free. And we've been killing the markets, right? My purpose here on this earth, right? So my purpose on this God-given earth is to unlock limited mindsets, to have them believe that they can do whatever they want to do in life, right? We got some people that never did live, and they would join $200-300. You know what I'm saying? Just by listening and just following along. We're gonna do risk management. Over risk management. What is risk management to the Forex market? So I want you guys to know this, right? Forex, you can make a lot of money. Correct? You can make a lot of money, but you don't have to have a lot of capital. All right? You can make a lot of money. You don't have to have a lot of capital, but if you do have a lot of capital, it can actually increase your chance more to, make more money. But I don't want you guys to have that mindset of like, you need a lot of capital to make money. That's not necessarily true. You need to know how to calculate your risk. Okay? You need to learn how to calculate your risk. So the way I trade, you know what I'm saying? I calculate everything. So you want to put this in your mind, right? A check. This is what you want to put in your mind, all right? This is what you want to say, yes or yes. All right? Yes or yes. What do you mean? When you calculate your risk, and I'm gonna break it down, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, we're gonna rush it a little bit just because we gotta do the trading psychology. But yes or yes, what does yes or yes mean? If you calculate your risk, which is your lot size and your pips. So if you don't know what lot size is, a lot size is an investment that you put towards a trade. A pip is a unit of measurement in the market. So just like in real life, you know how you got the centimeters, kilometers, inches. That is pips in the Forex market. Okay, lot size is what you put towards the trade. Okay, so when you're calculating your risk, if you don't say yes to your stop loss or yes to your take profit. For example, let's say I had $300 in my account. Okay, and let's say we calculate our pips. Your lot size times your pips will get you your risk / reward. Okay, so you want to write that down. Your lot size times your pips will get you your risk / reward. Right, so come out to your dollar amount. Okay, so for example, it's the lot size per pip. Okay, the lot size per pip times the pips is, gonna get you what you need, right? So for example, let's just say, okay, cool, we got $300. We do our calculated risk. So how we do it, you'll take your account balance. All right. Boom, account balance. I like to risk 1 to 2%. But when I say 1 to 2%, it's not literally 1 to 2% of $300. Okay, 1 to 2% in my way, and I'm gonna break it down. Account balance times, we're gonna say 0.01, that's 1%, or you can do 0.02, which is 2%, right? Will get you your dollars per pip. All right, will get you your dollars per pip. So for example, What is our account balance, guys? Somebody jump it in the chat. What is our account balance? 300. So you literally just plug and play, right? 300 times 0.01 will equals, can somebody give me the answer? What is 300 times 0.01? 3. 3, and we got to put it down. It's $3 per pip. Okay, double one in chat, you got that. That's $3 per pip. That's not the lot size that you popping though. It's not a lot size. That's already converted over. You have to divide it by 10. And that will get you your lot size that you need to use. So $3 divided by 10, your lot size to reach 1% is 0.3 for 1%. And what is 1%, right? In Darnell way, right? 1%, it takes 100 pips. Takes 100 pips to blow your account. To blow account. Okay? 1% takes 100 pips to blow your account. If you risk 2%, it will take 50 pips to blow your account. And we're gonna do more examples, but I'm gonna come back to this yes or yes. Okay, we're gonna do more examples, but you can test the theory, right? You can do $300 divided by 3, you're gonna get 100. Okay, you can do 5,000. If we go to our calculator, you type in $5,625, right? You type in $5,625 times by 0.01. $5,625 times by 0.01, you're gonna get 56.25. That's $56.25 per pip. If you take 5,625 and you divide it by 56.25, you will get 100. Okay, it will take 100 pips to blow that account. Drop a 2 in the chat. That makes sense, right? If you do 2%, it's gonna be 50. Reason why I don't say 3, because it's 33 pips. Unless we're risking like 5 or 6 pips, then you can pop the 3. But a lot of you guys, you know what I'm saying, the mental capacity or your emotion might be high for you to really pop that type of stuff. So if you're risking like 6 pips, 7 pips, then you can do 3%. But you know, as you get more events to the market, just stay in the range of 1 to 2%. Okay. All right, bet. So look, let's just say, right, we got the $300. And let's say a signal get called out. What is a signal, right? A signal is somebody that's looking at the market for you. You don't really have to, you know, go on the chart yourself and get it, right? So let's say somebody say sell EURUSD. The stop loss is 10 pips, okay? Actually, they just say 20 pips. They just say 20 pips. Let's say the stop loss, can y'all see? Let's say the stop loss is 20 pips. Okay, 20 pips. Then you got the take profit. Let's just say the take profit is 50 pips. Okay, we got $300. Can y'all see this? Good or not? It's too small. I know how I get when I write.
Yeah, we can see it, bro.
Okay, bet. So 20 pips for the stop loss, 50 pips for the take profit. How would you know how much you're risking? Right? You got to calculate your risk to reward. So for example, 20 pips, you don't times it by your lot size. You got to times it by what? Per pip. That's why it's very important for you to, when you know this formula is account balance times 0.01, which is 1%, and that equals dollars per pip. Like you have to put dollars per pip. Because if you don't, and you just put the number 3, you would think you have to pop a 3.0, and that's not real. All right, you would think you have to pop a 3.0, and now you're really trading $30 per pip. Right? And that takes 10 pips to blow your account. Okay? So you want to make sure you have that $1 per pip so you don't get confused. This is the lot size you're going to pop for 1%. Right? Boom. $3 per pip. So you'll do $3 times 20. $3 times 20 is what? $3 per pip, 60. $60. Okay, for your stop loss. And then for 50 pips, 3 boom, that's $150 for your reward. For your risk and your reward. Okay. Now, if you look at this before you even place a trade, are you okay with that? So you have to tell yourself, are you okay with risking $60, knowing that your account will go to 240 if it hit stop loss? Drop a yes or a no in the chat. Would you be okay with that? And you have to be honest with yourself. You know what I'm saying? Don't go with the crowd. You have to go with yourself. So drop a yes or a no in the chat if you're okay with that. All right. And remember, it's on you. Don't go off other people. If you're not comfortable, drop a no. Right? So we got majority, yeah. Right? So everybody said yes right here. So that's a check mark. Boom. Now, your reward is $150. Are you okay with that type of reward? Yes or no? Yes. Get into the trade. That's it. Right? When it hits stop loss, should you cry? No. Why? Because you already mentally accepted the fact of whatever your account balance is going to be, you already know what it is. It should never be a guess. It should never be like, dang, my account right here. How did it get here? You should already calculate it before. Okay. Now let's just change it up. Okay. The way I trade, if my stop loss is less than 20 pips, I'm risking 2%. Okay. If my stop loss is less than 20 pips, I don't matter what account balance I have. I can have $1,000 account, I can have $100 account, I can have $10,000 account, I can have $5,000 account. It doesn't matter. I go off percent. I go off percent growth. Okay. So if you have 2%, right? So less than 20 pips, right? What percent should you risk? Less than 20 pips. What a 2, right? Appreciate you, Elizabeth, right? If it's more than 20 pips, right? And I don't like risking no more than 20 and 30 pips for real. You know what I'm saying? Really 15 to 20, but if it get like 30 pips, what percent should you risk? 1. Okay. And when you really get good at sniping, 3%. But that's I don't use 3% like that. I do it when it's really like 6 pips, but I don't do it often, gang. That's why you'll never see me say, yeah, risk 3. Nah. Because the account can really go like this. Okay. So let's do 2%. So let's change this. We got the same formula, account balance times 0.01, but we're going to change it to the 2. We're going to raise this, we're going to keep the same pips amount. We're gonna keep the same pips amount. We're just gonna change up the percent. Might erase everything. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Starting from the beginning. Our account balance. What is our account balance? Somebody unmute themselves. What is our account balance right now? 300. If you follow the formula, just write it just like how you see it. It's gonna be easy, so you don't gotta guess. Then you just bring this on down. Right? Not times it by what? 0.02. Get you what? Dollars per pip. You have to figure out what is that dollar amount. Like, even if some of you guys trade prop firms, bro, if you use this method, this shit easy to pass. I just don't like it. I ain't gonna lie. But let's say, okay, cool. 300 times 0.02. What is the answer, family? 300
6.
times, what is it?
6.
6 what?
It would be 6 for the, give me 1 second.
Somebody help them out. How would you read this though? Elizabeth's correct.
$6
$6 what?
per pip.
Per pip. You gotta say it like that. You feel me? So it's $6 per pip. Because if somebody comes to me and say, man, what you pop? I popped a 6. They're gonna think you popped a 6.0. Right? So you gotta just, I did $6 per pip. Oh, okay, you popped a 0.6. All right. It's very important, guys. Remember, I took calculus too. I dropped out with a 3.8. All right. So look, these matters, gang. Like all that stuff, all this matters. $6 per pip. Okay, so if you convert it to your lot size, how can you convert this to your lot size? If you already got the per pip, how can you convert this to the lot size?
Divided by 10.
Divided by 10. Correct. And that will get you 0.60. And that is your lot size. Okay, that is your lot size. So for 2% on your $300 account, you'll be risking a 0.60. Okay, now let's do our calculations. Do we do our calculations from the lot size, or do we do it from the dollars per pip? If you wanted to calculate what it is, do we do it from the lot size, or do we do it from the dollars per pip? Oh, y'all getting quiet. Y'all get that, man? Y'all ass quiet.
Dollar per pip.
Dollars per pip. Who said that?
Me.
All right, why?
Ain't nobody else say nothing.
Why though? You see what I'm saying? You can get the answer, but if I say explain dot, you'll fail.
Right.
All right. I don't need the answer. I need understanding from the answer. Okay. So you saying dollars per pip? Why?
All right, ask the question again.
To calculate our pips that we got, 20 pips stop loss, 20 pips, 50 pips pay profit. Will we use our lot size, or will we use the dollars per pip method? The dollar per pip or the lot size? Welcome to school.
I ain't gonna lie, gang. Say that one more time.
Don't worry about it. Will, send me your cash out, gang. Send me your cash out, bro. You heard the question, gang. I can't keep repeating myself, gang. You heard me, bro. Right? So Will, just send it to me. I'm gonna send it to you after the call, gang. All right? All that dang repeating, you heard me, gang. Look, pips. Why? Why is it pips? Right? Because it say dollars per pip. Right? 1 is a pip. Anything more than a pip, you add an S. Correct? Right or wrong, y'all? Right or wrong? 1.
Right.
1 pip. 2 pips per pip. How can you even calculate this? It has nothing right here. Nothing. So how can you calculate that when it has nothing? That's why you have to, when you say your stuff, you have to say $6 per pip. Some of you guys are writing it like 300 times 0.02 equals 6. Divided by 10 equals 0.6. But you got nothing correlated to what? Now you're confused. Write it out. Write it out. All right? Will, send me your cash out. For real. All right? It's considered a pip no matter what. For sure. I just got it, Will. I'm gonna send it to you. Now I'll drop it in the thing when I send it. I'm gonna send $50. All right. So look, per pip. So that's why you use that. So now we do our calculations. How do we calculate it? 20 pips times 6 equal 120. Okay. 6 times 20. So you're risking $120. Okay. 50 pips. Same thing. 50 times 6. 50 pips times 6 equal $300. You're risking 120 to make $300. Right? Now be real with yourself. Be real. If you look at your stop loss and it said 120, you had $300. What is 300 minus 120? 300 minus 120.
180.
180. Your account balance will be 180, gang. If it hits stop loss. Your account balance would be 180 if you hit stop loss. If you hit take profit, your account balance would be $600 for your reward. For your risk, you're risking $180. No, you're risking 120. You know what I'm saying? Your account balance would be at 180 if you hit stop loss. For your take profit, it'll be at 300, and your account balance will be at $600. You have to ask yourself mentally, are you okay with your SL? Okay. So let me say, I say yes or no. Y'all saying yes, 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 yes. Are you sure? So look, see, Lotta said no. So Lotta won't pop. Okay. Lotta said no. Everybody else said yeah. Lotta not entering. Cross them out. Don't worry about them. Take profit. $300. Are you okay with that? Yes or no? Lotta won't enter. Everybody else, what are y'all on? Is your take profit straight? Yes, for sure. Yes, me too, gang. I'm in the trade. I'm in the trade too. Lotta the only one that won't get in, cause mentally he don't like his risk. Okay, I like my risk. I know if it's less than 20 pips or less, 2%, I'm straight. I know my risk because I know how to get my account back. If it hits dollar, because I'm gonna do 2% again. We're gonna get it right back. It ain't hard. You know what I'm saying? So like for example, let's do another one. Okay. Let's act like we hit stop loss, gang. Y'all ready? Everybody put SL. Let's act like we hit stop loss. Okay. Lotta still got his $300 account. We at 180. Right? So this is why I want y'all to know mentally how to trade. You know what I'm saying? If you go off percent, you straight. If you go off whatever you feel like popping, well shit, your account is gonna be whatever you think it ain't gonna be. That's it because you ain't calculating nothing. You just popping, right? So we're gonna add like our account at 180. And we took a little break from the charts. We took our little lesson, we went back tested, and then we're gonna look for another setup. Not the same trade pair, we're just gonna look for another setup. Okay. You ready? We got our account balance. Account balance, $180. We're not at 300. Lotta the only one at 300 because he didn't take it. Right? $180. Can somebody unmute themselves and give me both the formulas for the 1% and 2%? What would you do?
It's going to be account balance times.
Let me write it down.
Something like that.
Account balance.
18, boy.
So
Account
it's going to be account balance. Let me know if it's skipping or something, but it's going to be account balance times lot size equals dollar per pip. So if your account balance is 180 and you risking 20%, I mean 2%.
Y'all think this right? Y'all think this right?
No.
No. Elizabeth, what do you think it is?
Okay. Hopefully I'm not echoing. Am I echoing?
Yeah, you are. You got your phone and your computer?
That's what you see me reaching for.
Disconnect one of your audios. All you gotta do is just go to your mute button, click on the arrow on your mute button, and just go to leave computer audio.
Mute button.
And you wanna go to leave computer audio. Nah. All right. No, it's not. So what's the real formula?
Account balance. Okay. 180 times
Nah,
a
what's the
zero.
formula? What's the formula? Don't give me the numbers. Just give me like what's the formula?
Account balance times the pip.
Y'all think that's right? So we're gonna put this times pip. It's another answer. Y'all think that's right? Leah, come help him out, gang.
I
Come
thought
on,
it
Leah.
was
Nah, a lot of right.
I could have sworn it was
I
the
got
first
you.
one.
Hold on, y'all.
It's
Hold
account
on.
balance times your percentage
Yeah.
that you're gonna risk, and then that's gonna equal your dollar per pip.
Y'all think she right?
Well, I thought that equaled your lot size, and then from your lot size, then you divide your lot size by 10, and
No,
that gives you your.
it's dollars per pip
Jay,
divided by 10.
Jay, you wanna know how you sound right now? Boom. Let's say your lot size is 0.30. Divided by 10, what answer you get? Let me know. I'm literally gonna tell you what you telling me, gang. Everybody do 0.30 and divided by 10. What is that answer?
Right. You gotta go off the percentage you gotta go out the percentage risk before
You know what I'm
you calculate the dollar amount.
saying? You feel me? So that don't even make sense, Jay. You popping a 0.03 on $180 account. That takes you 180 divided by 0.3. Bro, it takes 600 pills to blow your account, bro. You're not blowing your account, which is okay. That's good. That's awesome. But you're not gonna make no money either, bro. You know what I'm saying? You pop a 0.3, I mean a 0.03, that's 30 cents per pip. Let's say you try to cash 50 pips, you only made $15 on 180. That's good though. You know what I'm saying? Good little reward. But you're trying to look for some returns. Right? Right? So that's not accurate. Right? If we would have did this method, right? One thing y'all gotta understand, when you say your answers, you gotta go through them. Okay? So you did account balance times lot size, that's what we would have did with Jay. Lot size, I mean account balance times pips, that don't even make sense. 180 times 20 pips. 180 times 20 pips. That's 3,600. That don't even make sense. Right? If you do 50 pips, you see how that don't make sense with the pips, the account balance times pips, but you
Gotcha.
do percent, right? I'm gonna just drag this down. Right? What is the range percentage? Do anybody know? What is the range? 1 to 2. 1% to 2%. Okay. How many pips does it take to blow your account if you risk 1%? Remember, my 1% is different than
100.
a lot of people 1%. How many pips?
100.
100. Correct. There's that 100 pips. What about 2%? Anybody know?
50.
50. Okay. We're gonna keep going though, but when should you use 2%? I'm just giving y'all the understanding so when we do this stuff, it's just not like this now. Right? When should you put 2%?
Telling us to do less than 20 pips.
20 pips or less. Because 25, that's half your account. All right? And why would you want to risk half your account? All right. When should you do 1%?
20% or more.
Hell nah.
Excuse me, 20
Nah,
20
you
pips.
find out right
My
now.
apologies. My apologies. 20 pips or more.
Yeah, Davon, take that percent off. Take that percent off, gang. So when it's 20 pips or more, but be mindful, bro. If somebody, you know what I'm saying? Like stop loss like 80 pips. Why you want to get in there for 1%? That's almost half of you. That's more than half of your account. You know what I'm saying? And when you pop a 2%, you gotta be mindful. You can't really pop again. Because let's say the stop loss was 20 pips. Okay? You pop a 2%, boom, you know it takes 50 pips to blow your account, you pop a trade, it go out of profit, you try to pop another 2%. Now you just double it, you're risking 4%. You're gonna take 25 pips to blow your account. Okay? And that's from the SL. Correct, Leah. 20 pips or less from the SL, the risk. Okay? So boom, let's do the account balance. So we took a little loss, we coming back to the trade. You know what I'm saying? We're coming back to the charts with a clear mind, open heart. You know what I'm saying? Boom, account balance. This is when we plug and play. $180. right? Let's say a trade idea came out and it was like, buy GBP JPY. GBP JPY, you know, we expect the market to go up. Let's say our stop loss was 12 pips. Take profit. Like you see that, take profit, let's say 84 pips. Okay. What percent we using for this, y'all? Stop loss 12 pips.
2%.
Stop loss 12. What is it?
2%.
2%. Okay. So boom. Lot size, I mean, you got an account balance 180 times 2%, which you're gonna convert it is 0.02. That's gonna get you your what? Dollars, open number per pip. So you don't get confused. So somebody do 180 times 0.02. 180 times 0.02. 180 times 0.02. What would you get?
3.0.
Huh?
3.60. $3.
Right. Yep, $3.60 per
pip.
pip. Okay, so we risky per pip. All right, how will we get our lot size?
Darnell,
What up?
hey, you do it kind of different than how I do it. How I be finding my max.
Oh,
So the way how I
I'm
do it,
already knowing. I ain't gonna lie. Wait, Jordan. I ain't gonna lie. It's recording. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it.
Oh
in
yeah,
three
yeah. Go
times.
ahead. My bad.
You know what I'm saying? I do it a lot different than a lot of people. I said that at the beginning. Feel me? We're gonna do that on trading psychology. Feel me? So 180 times 0.02, right? And Jordan gonna be one of the speakers, y'all. So y'all see how he just, you know, came in. He gonna be one of the speakers. All right, bet. So 180 times 0.02, that's $3.66 per pip. If you do 180 and you divide it by $3.60 per pip, what number would you get? If you do 180 divided by 3.6, what number would you get?
50.
50. It don't matter what the account is, guys. It's gonna take 50 pips to blow your account. All right. Boom. I'll tell you, that's how I be flipping my account game. Feel me? I'll calculate all my rates and roll it. All right. Boom. How do we get our lot size? We divide it by 10. That's gonna get our lot size we need to use, which is 0.36. Okay. Now to calculate the stop loss, 12 pips, you take this number right here. Take this number right here. And you're gonna times it. So 12 pips. 12 pips times $3.60 per pip. Whatever. That's gonna get you 12 times 3.6. That's $43.20. Yep. $43.20. That's your risk. Right? If you see these pills, convert it to money. So these 12 pills according to our account balance, that's $43.20. That's our risk. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's $43.20. That's our risk. Our take profit, same thing. 84 pips times 84 pips times $3.60 per pip. 84 times $3.60. Boom, that's 300. $302.40. Right? So that's our reward. $302.40. Right? If you take this number, your stop loss, which is $43.20, you take 180 and you subtract it by $43.20, your account balance would be at, for your SL, if it hit your SL, your account balance will literally be at $136.80. If it hit take profit, your account balance would be at 180 plus 302.40. your account balance be at $482.40. For your stop loss, right? Yes or yes? Yes or no? Are you okay if you hit stop loss, your account go from 180 to $136? Are you okay with that? You risking $43,
Yes.
right? Yes. Okay. For your take profit, are you okay if they take profit, your account go from $180 to $482.40? Yes or yes?
Yes.
Yes. But we took a loss the first time. You feel me? We took a loss. A lot of people get to tripping. You feel me? Like, damn, I count that 300, bro. I could have took out. Bro, first off, go relax your mind. Go outside. Go play basketball. Go do something. You know what I'm saying? You're going to come back and get ready. Okay? Like, I'm going to be real. Like, I had the week before this week, right? Started with 250. Boom. Got my account up to like 1,500. I ain't gonna lie. We took a little trade. Boom. My account back at 800. I ain't gonna lie. I was a little emotional. What I did, I went to go play basketball. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Went to go play basketball. Guess what happened? We took the 800. We up 2,200 now. And guess what we finished off with? 6,000. We took 250 to 6,000. You know what I'm saying? And if anybody think I'm capping, let me pause it real quick and let me share my screen. Hold on. All right. See tomorrow I'm tripping on, bro. Crazy. So this is when we took. This is when we did the withdrawal. All right. What day that was? February 1st. How much that was, y'all? Based off the what I'm teaching you guys right now. Remember, I'm not gonna teach you something that I don't do. Okay. Forex, bro. They took a little commission, $73. I mean $76. Okay. You use USDT Tron, you're gonna get your money in less than 5 minutes. Right? So this is what I'm teaching you guys. Real life. Okay? So I don't want y'all to think I'm capping. You take your loss, boom, you gotta be okay because you said yes and yes. If you don't really accept the yes or yes, or you hesitant with the yes or yes, don't get in the trade. Right? And let's say Lotta didn't take that trade. He's like, nah, they took a loss. I ain't trusting. His kind of 300 now. We at 482. You feel me? That makes sense? And don't let me do the same calculation. Let's say we do 12 pips on the $482 balance. Don't let me do that. Y'all gonna get hyped. All right. Watch this. I ain't gonna erase everything, but I'm just do this. Let's just say our account is at 482 game. We risking 2%, the same trade setup, everything. And let's just say it hit take profit. All right. So 482. 482. Boom, that's our account balance. 42.40 times by 0.02. We get $9.64.8, right? Our lot size is 0.96. That's all that is. Okay? 0.96 dollars per pip. $9.64. I mean $9.64 per pip. Okay, a lot size is 96. Boom. We do the same calculation. Stop loss 12. 9.6. Right? 9.6 times 12. Our risk $115. $115. That's our risk. Okay, $115 what we're risking. That means our account balance will get to, if it hit stop loss, our account balance will go from 482.40 minus 115.20. So boom, our account balance will go from 482 to $367.26. Are you okay with that risk? Are you okay with that risk? Your account balance go down to 367. Remember, we are already ahead of 300. We still gonna be $67 in profit.
Yeah.
All right. Boom. Now we're gonna bust their head on the take profit. Right. Boom. 84. pips times 9.64. Or not, let's just do 9.6 because we part of 0.96. So 9.6, 84 times 9.6. Your reward, crazy. Reward $806.40. Your your account balance will go from $482.40 to $1,288.80. Are you okay with that risk reward? Your account balance, if your start loss $367, your account balance will be $1,200. And y'all think
Yes.
I be playing when I be saying we can do 1,000% growth challenge, bro. It can happen in 2 days, bro. I just say 5 days to keep y'all sane. Cause if I start speaking high numbers, you guys gonna freak out because they teach you, oh, on your account balance, just pop 0.10, 0.10, 0.10, 0.10, 0.10, 0.10, 0.10. But as your account keep going up, why you keep popping the same lot? You know what I mean? So I adjust to my account balance every time. So even if you blow your account all the way down to $44, it should be 1%, 2%, 1%, 2%, 1%, 2%. Not, oh, I think I should pop a 0.01 to be a little safe. That's not you going off your feelings and your feelings change every single day. How that's gonna work? Okay. How y'all like this training? How y'all like that training? All right, now you gotta get it soon.
Good.
Y'all
It's
like
great.
y'all like that? It's tough.
It's new, but it's great.
Feel me? A lot of people ain't gonna tell you that, but y'all see the withdrawals? I ain't about to cap to you. You know what I'm saying? So when you start recording, it's gonna be a different sector.